Shorts creators, listen up. There's now a way for you to earn money on YouTube. Let's dive into how you can join the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. To qualify, you'll need either 1,000 subscribers along with 10 million eligible Shorts views in the past 90 days, or just 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid watch hours on your long videos. Your content must comply with YouTube's originality policy, meaning it should be original or transformed, especially using remix tools that add your creative touch. Now let's talk about how Shorts revenue works. All ad revenue from the Shorts feed is pooled together. After accounting for music licensing costs, the remaining revenue is shared based on how many views your Shorts receive. You keep 45% of what you earn. To check your earnings, head over to YouTube Studio, then Analytics, and finally, Revenue. Get creative and start earning.